Hey guys, after this video, I'm going to make, it's just like an interview, like a quick podcast to tell you what I'm gonna do. So basically, I'm going to do the short where it's the one to buckle my shoe, but then it stops at shoe, and it's like the one the cute boy did, not the cute boy, Merrick something. He did 1, 2, buckle my shoe, ooh, 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 and it like had a glitch in it. You guys will see it. Go to his channel, like and subscribe to it, and yeah. But I'm about to do that short, and I'm going to try my best. So if I don't do a good job, please don't hate me. Do not hate me. Don't hate me, because I'm going to be trying my best. Thank you.